Hi, I'm George Argo with Argo Electrical Services, and I am the surge protector guy. And today we're going to talk about installing electricity in your garage. Today we're in my garage, and what I have here is I've got some receptacles that we've installed here. You see we got one here, it goes into the other, and they're all fed by a 14-2 wire with a ground. Now, all receptacles have to be protected by a ground fault circuit interrupter, and that's the receptacle I have here. The reason being that a garage is considered by the code book as being a wet location because the walls are not finished. And by finished, I would mean being insulated and having sheetrock on, they'd be covered on both sides. Now, the feed from the GFCI receptacle would come from a 50-60 amp panel that is located somewhere in your garage. Once again, always remember that your garage is considered a wet location, and all the receptacles, the power has to be protected by ground fault circuit interrupters. My name is George Argo of Argo Electrical Services, and I am the surge protector guy, and you've just watched Installing Electricity in Your Garage.